Hello friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Today, I want to show you a very interesting open source AI project called Turix. If you want to explore it yourself, you can visit the AI Finder page for Turix using the link in the description or on screen. This page gives you a clear overview of what Turix offers and helps you quickly understand where it fits in the AI automation space. Now, let's talk about what makes Turix truly different. What is Turix? In simple terms, Turix hands your computer over to AI. Instead of just chatting with you or calling APIs in the background, Turix can actually see your screen and control your mouse and keyboard step by step, just like a real human. Think of it as an AI agent that works directly on your desktop rather than inside a browser or script. Why this approach is powerful. Most automation tools rely on browser APIs, Playwright, or MCP-based setups. These methods often leave detectable traces and can easily trigger anti-bot systems or human verification checks. Turix avoids this completely. Since it behaves like a real person visually reading the screen and clicking elements, websites have a much harder time detecting automation. This makes it especially powerful for platforms with strict human verification. Open source project, GitHub. Another big highlight is that Turix actively supports the open source community. Turix has an open source project on GitHub called Turix CUA. If you're a developer or someone curious about how AI desktop agents actually work, I highly recommend checking it out. You can explore the codebase, follow or star the project, and even raise issues or contribute ideas. This transparency makes Turix stand out from many closed AI platforms. Do not forget to click the star and to join the fun. Remote control and web interface. Turix also includes a web-based control interface. Inside the settings panel, you can click Open Web, which allows you to remotely manage connected devices. From there, you can see logged-in machines, issue commands remotely, and even control another computer that's already connected to your Turix account. This means you can send tasks to a different device and let Turix execute them remotely. Workflow automation. Turix also offers a workflow and scheduling feature. You can create named tasks, set execution plans, choose which device should run them, and schedule actions in advance. I didn't test this feature deeply, but from the interface, it's clearly designed for repeated or timed automation workflows. Project status and availability. Turix is still in active development. There's currently no fully functional payment or purchase system. Registration mostly works through invite links. When you sign in, you automatically receive a small free balance, which so far has been surprisingly generous. I'll leave an AI Finder invite link in the description, so both you and the channel can receive additional credits. Real-world demo. Experience on Windows. Turix can open a browser, navigate to YouTube, search for a keyword, open a video, scroll to the comments, and even post a comment. However, small interruptions like moving the mouse or changing window focus can break the workflow. On macOS, this issue is much less noticeable. So yes, Windows works, but expectations should be realistic. Hotkeys. Turix uses Alt plus space as its global shortcut, which can conflict with tools like utools. Unfortunately, there's currently no way to customize this hotkey, so you may need to adjust other shortcuts as a workaround. Final thoughts. Despite its current limitations, Turix is one of the most promising AI desktop agents available right now. For creators, beginners, and anyone building AI-powered workflows without heavy coding, this tool can be a real game changer, especially on macOS. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.